So the project at hand right now is with my little trailer. Basically, since I built this, I've been meaning to make a set of fold-down ramps that are easily removable for the back of it, and I'm just now getting around to it. So anyways, I made up this contraption here. Let me set this out of the way. So I got a rod that runs all the way across that'll be easily removable. And I got these that will bolt to the top of these aluminum ramps. So then it'll fold up and fold down. So that's all well and good, but this was one solid ramp. I cut it in half. So now I need to weld in these two aluminum braces because this end of it's really flimsy. So we're gonna see if we can do that today. And by doing that, we're going to attempt to weld it with the stick welder. So I picked up these aluminum rods here. And these are actually pretty pricey for what they are. 1 pound was like $26. And that was with a discount. So and for comparison, this is a 10-pound box of 1/8 inch 7018. And this whole box was only $16 for 10 pound. And that was $26 for 1 pound. So aluminum rods are a little bit expensive. But I talked to the guy at the supply store there, and he said clean it up good with the stainless steel brush. He said, and then run it DC reverse polarity. So to do that, come over to your welder, and to switch the polarity, you can switch the leads at the bottom, but it's just got this option where DC positive, DC negative. And I'm not sure what amps to run that at, so we'll start out about 125 and see where that gets us. So I'm going to run a couple practice beads on this piece of aluminum and just see how they do. And then we'll get both of them cleaned up and cut, and then put them on and see if we can weld it up. So let's run some practice beads and see what an aluminum rod does. Because I've never stick welded aluminum. Now I've welded aluminum with a spool gun, and I've TIG welded aluminum, and that's fine, but this is new to me, so let's try it out. Don't look too bad. These are just my practice ones. That one I did at 125 amps. I tried 70 and that didn't do nothing. Then that's 90. So I don't know which one I like better, the 90 or the 125. So anyways, I guess I will get these cleaned up and see if we can get them welded on there. Got it all cleaned up, so let's try running some beads on it. Well, I got this one finished up, so here's what we got. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it should serve its purpose. So, and then I spotted in between most of these, and then here's this one. It's not too terrible. Then this one has a little rough patch there, but that's not too bad. First time I've ever stick welded aluminum, so it's one of them things, the more you do it, the better you get at it. So let's do the other ramp and see if we get any better. Or well, as close as I can get. I welded up a lot of these seams here. Right here, because these are separate panels in here, so I weld them to connect them. Hopefully strengthen all of it is the goal anyways. So it's nothing too pretty to brag about, but there's some. That one don't look bad, but don't look like I got any penetration on the back. So I don't know, we'll try it and see. I mean, so yeah, let's get these things put on the back of the trailer and try and drive something up on it and see if they break. Got some brand new grade 8 bolts for this. Okay, that one lines up. And that one lines up. You might be wondering about this gap right here. That's so we can fold them up. That actually works out pretty good. So there's about a 50-50 chance of this not breaking. So if it doesn't break, I'm probably gonna buy a lottery ticket tonight. Well, there you have it. There's one set of trailer ramps. So I've still got some finishing touches to do. The ramp didn't bend, but my little pipe bent. So what I'll probably do is stick a piece of rebar or something through the middle, because that pipe's hollow, and just put something in there to kind of brace it up. And then I need to add a quick attach to this pin because I can just slide this bar out to take the ramps off if I don't need them. So that's a plus, but it don't look like any of these aluminum welds broke. So I guess that's a good thing. I didn't go for a ride. The only reason I really got around to building these was because my last set broke on me and the tractor fell off the trailer, so that was pretty funny. But anyways, that should wrap this video up. So have a good day.